Okay, students, I'm going to try something different here. We're going to solve a homework problem and record it so you can watch it as a video. I'm going to try to do problem 10-1A here, and notice that it has a $30,000 bond value, contract or coupon rate of 4%, matures in 4 years. So these are the key things, right? 30,000, 4%, 4 years. Okay, so now I'm going to go to a different tool here, and we're going to start writing this problem out. Okay, so I will just start with problem 10-1. Okay, and we know that the principal is 30,000. We know the interest rate on the bond is 4%, I believe. Yeah, 4%. And it's 4 years. Can't read my writing, but that's okay. Right, first thing I want to do, even if you're confused, okay, is at least calculate the interest expense. You don't have to worry about premiums or anything like that. You just use the information you've got. Interest is the PITs, P-I-T. So if I plug this in, I'm going to go 30,000. Interest rate is 4%, so it's 0.04. Always the rate that's written on the bond, and if it's for every 6 months, that's half a year. So there's my time, there's my interest, there's my principal. Okay, if I do the math, this gives me $600. Won't show you how to punch a calculator, but you got that already. So there's my interest expense. Okay, so what this means is the investor is going to get 8 different $600 payments over the course of 4 years, every 6 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Okay, so there's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can get 8 of those. And at the end of this 4-year period, they're also going to get their. They're also going to get their. They're also going to get their premium back. Okay, so there we go. Let's see if I can get this right here. So they'll also get their $30,000 back. Okay. So now I'm going to look at this two ways, all right? I'm going to say, let's find the net present value of these cash flows, the annuity. Okay, so we'll start with that. Present value of the annuity, all right, which would be $600 is the amount, right? That's what we just figured here. That's why we did it. And it's going to be times n equals some number of periods, and I equals some interest rate. Now the thing is, this was 4%, right? That's the rate on the bond. But when we do the backdating, when we bring stuff back to the present time, when we're finding the value today of this flow of cash flows, we have to use market rates. So what I do here is I go back, okay, and I go back and look at the problem, and I look at the market rates. It says market rates on the date of issuance are 2%. Okay, so 2% here, I use market, not the value on the bond. Okay, so over here, when I actually say that this would be 2% per year, since there's 4 years, 2 payments per year, I actually double the number of years to get n equals 8 different 6-month periods, and I cut the interest rate in half using the market rates. So that's what I do there. So this is going to be 600 times some factor from the table, some decimal number. Okay, well, what does that look like? Let's go to the table here. Okay, it's table B3, present value of an annuity up here. Okay, and so at row 8 of 8 periods, 1% looks like 7.6517. So 7.6517. And if I do the math, I think I get 4591. There you go. Present value of an annuity. Again, that's the value today of this stream of cash flows. Okay, so that's one piece of the puzzle. Alright, let's switch to a different color here. I'll go green. Now I do another problem here. I'm going to find the present value of an amount, looking just at the value of this principal here. Bring it back to today. Alright, what's the value of that one today? Well, same formula, we just go to a different table. N equals something, I equals something, and once again I'm going to use the market rates, but it's 8 periods, it's compounded semi-annually, twice a year, and so if I use market rates of 2%, cut it in half again, I know I'm going to get the same percentages and same N as I used up here. just going to a different table. This time it's table B1, present value of an amount. Okay, so if I go 8, row 8, 1%, first column, 0.9235, that should be pretty straightforward. 0.9235. Principal is 30,000. Okay, I believe that I will get a value of 27,705. 27,705. There we go. That's the present value today of getting $30,000 8 years from now. So now I have these two values. I would simply add them up and get my grand total. And so 27,705 plus 4,591. Just add those. You'll get your total of 32,296. Forgive my writing, it's not very neat, but present value total is this. Is this more or less than the bond issuance price of 30,000? It is more than 30,000, which tells you, as you already knew, that this was a premium. Okay, so what does that mean? It means that we got an extra $2,296 for issuing this bond at 4% when the market was at 2%. Okay, hope that helps. Hope this problem was good for you, and hopefully it helps you get ready for the test. Thank you.